Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: OS type, Git, and Node. JS if you plan to use extensions. Once confirmed, run the VS Code installer. Choose 64-bit for modern machines and enable path integration so you can launch code from terminal. Make sure to accept recommended options like File Context Menu and Default Shell Integration. This saves time later when installing extensions. After installation finishes, open VS Code to ensure it launches correctly, and you can access the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P. Once VS Code is open, you'll configure core settings to match your workflow. Open Settings, JSON and Set Editor, Tab Size Editor, Format on Save and Files. Exclude to reduce noise. This improves focus and performance. Next, install essential extensions like Git Lens for history, Prettier for formatting, and Live Server for quick previews. Make sure to configure workspace level settings to override user defaults per project and assign custom keyboard shortcuts for frequent commands. These steps streamline coding and ensure consistency. To finish, configure the integrated terminal and choose your default shell so terminal commands behave predictably. Enable settings sync with your account to backup themes, extensions, and key bindings. This saves repetition across machines. Open a sample project, run your build or lint task, and confirm extensions activate correctly. If something fails, check the Output and Developer Tools console for errors. A common fix: disable or reinstall the offending extension, then reload the window. This usually resolves activation or crash issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.